Yo, if this is your first time here, they call me Snickers. Let's get into these black eyed peas. These are all of our ingredients. I soaked my peas overnight, but if you don't want to soak yours overnight, you can add them to hot water for 3 hours right before you're ready to cook it. We're going to take 4 cups of chicken broth. I had a little leftover beef broth, so I'm going to add that because we're not wasting anything over here. I'm going to add in 2 cups of beef broth and 2 cups of water. You do not have to mix yours, you can just use one or the other, but I like to mix, so that's what I did. I'm going to drain my peas and then add them to the pot. Have on medium-high on the stove. I'm using frozen onions and bell peppers. I work, so I'm trying to make things fast. If you got time to be cutting vegetables, go ahead and do that. Do what works for you. I added in a stick of butter, a teaspoon of minced garlic, and now I'm just adding in smoked turkey wings. Now I'm going to use some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, Old Bay seasoning to season the peas. Black eyed peas are a dry bean, so you have to add a little of a lot of seasoning to give them some flavor. And midway throughout my cooking process, I come back and I taste the broth just to see if it has the flavor that I like. So you're more than welcome to also do that. In fact, I highly encourage that you do that. But if not, once you get your peas in your bowl, you can always add whatever seasoning that you like at that point too. Alright, I'm going to cover this for about 2 hours, come back and check on it. This is what it's looking like. As you can see, the water is starting to tint. Coming back another hour and a half later, you can see that the meat is starting to separate, so we're on the right track. Please make sure to like this video if you like this type of content. Share my video with your friends, the people that you know. Share it with people that you don't even like. Go just share the video. Thank you. So this is what it's looking like. If you want your brew a little thicker, you can always cook your peas longer, or you can take about a half a cup, mash it, put it back into the pot, mix it together, and that will also thicken it up as a cheat code. Alright, let me know how you liked it. That's that.